Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to review the machine learning and data science course from Udemy by Neagoie and Bourke. But before I do that, I would like to explain a couple of stuff, which is what are the topics that should be covered in any machine learning and data science course, so then we can judge and check and review that course by the topics. So here, what I recommend that every single machine learning or data science course should have. Basically, that should be from that course should explain R or Python, but for this one is Python. That course explains Python, so it should explain introduction to Python and Python object-oriented programming and Python data structures, and then it should explain how to analyze data in Python, how to visualize data using Matplotlib and Seaborn and Bourke, how to manipulate the data, cleaning and this stuff, and the math and statistics. It should explain statistics and linear algebra and calculus and probability, and it should explain some machine learning algorithms and supervised learning like classification, regression, linear regression, k-nearest neighbor, logistic regression, and so on, and some unsupervised learning like clustering, k-means, and all those stuff. And should at least tell me how to compete in Kaggle competitions, and should have some projects, and should explain at least a crash course in deep learning and a crash course in NLP, which is natural language processing, and big data. These are the topics that I think should be covered by any machine learning or data science bootcamp or course in general. Most of the courses on Udemy, they're kind of like crash course. They give you the fundamentals, and then you later on deep dive in a specific field. Like if you want to deep dive in supervised learning, you start taking an advanced supervised learning courses. Same thing for the NLP and same thing for deep learning. But most of the bootcamps, they should at least give me a good overview of all these areas, because these are the backbone of any machine learning and data science course. Now let's go to Udemy and we check that course and see if it covers all these topics or not. We're going to do that after my awesome intro. See you there. Alright guys, here we are at the course page. The course name is Complete Machine Learning and Data Science Bootcamp 2021 by Bourke and Neagoie. Now this course was released on January 2020, and I was one of the first people who bought this course. You can see that. So now we completed it in an entire year, and I have finished most of the course. Now I can review the course. Now back then when I bought it, it wasn't 42 hours, so it was 40% completed, just like I think 10-12 hours course. Now it's 42, which is very extensive. Now let's see what are the things I'm going to learn after I take this course. Obviously gonna become a data scientist and get hired. Deep learning, transfer learning, it's explaining TensorFlow 2.0, which is nice. Present data science projects to management and stakeholders. This is very important, guys, how you present the course to your stakeholders, how to make the slides and presentation and stuff. So, and then we have real life case studies and projects to understand how things are done in the real world, which is nice. Master machine learning and use it on job. Okay. Use Google, Apple, Amazon, and Facebook. Okay. Until now it's basic stuff. Implement machine learning, obviously. Build a portfolio. Now this is new. It's gonna help me how to build a portfolio, which is really nice. What else? Portfolio of data science machine learning. Okay, fine. Okay, mostly things are the same, which are explained in other courses. So let's go to the course. Okay, here first of all I want to tell you that This course is an illustrated course. What do I mean by that? Let me show you. I'm going to play this video and you guys are going to...
part that's often missing in a lot of courses.
Do you see he uses icons, which is an illustrated way of explaining things, which is really nice, and it's just a bunch of text and slides or someone writing on a board. This is a visual learning, you know, and it's really, really nice. I'll show you another video. Let's say, what is a machine learning?
Patience. But then, different reps.
See?
Instead of me measuring each route one by one, I could simply...
One of the things I like about Andrei Neagoie, his voice tone and the way he explains things, he explains in really nice way. He goes slowly and he uses some icons to explain things. It's amazing, guys. It's not boring, okay? He doesn't talk fast and everything is clear. His pronunciation is clear. The slides are visual, which is really nice. And it's he give you like a lot of resources. This course is massive, guys. Okay, this course is massive. Now let me tell you how this course is structured. Now first of all, we're gonna have a course outline, which is what are the things that are covered in this course. There are a lot of things are covered in this course. Now this is one of the best boot camps I have attended. Okay, and then he immediately start with machine learning. Most of the courses, when you enroll, it will start with Python and crash course in Python, and then pandas in Python, and then some data visualization in Python, which is Matplotlib and Bourke and Seaborn, all the stuff. And then immediately they explain machine learning algorithms, which is sometimes they divide it into supervised and unsupervised, and sometimes they just go and explain everything. I mean, you guys can check my Jose Portilla review course and Kriil Ermenko. I think I will do the Kriil Ermenko. I haven't done that. So here immediately explains what is a machine learning, what is an AI, ML, and data science. And then, are you getting it yet? Okay, you're starting it. I think. Okay, fine. Now, guys, this course was. This course is explained by two people, Andrei Neagoie and Daniel Bourke. The Python section was explained by Andrew, and the machine learning was explained by Daniel. Both of them are great teacher. Both of them have a good accent. You can understand. They explain things in really simple explanation. And then after they explain this, what is it, like a general overview of machine learning, and then they immediately start with the framework, which is we're going to use, and then splitting the data, model tuning, overfitting, underfitting, all the general topics that everyone is supposed to know. And then there are two paths here, and endorsement on LinkedIn, okay, fine. And then data science and environment setup, how to install Conda, which is Anaconda, and how to explain it, install it on Mac and Windows and Linux. How do you work on Jupyter Notebook? What is a Jupyter Notebook? The things that we're going to use. This.
Back.
You're going to use the IDE. Look how things are explained in a really nice way. And now this accent is Australian accent. So this is the Daniel Bourke. Listen.
I'm so excited for this section. Why? Because we're going to start getting hands-on with one of my favorite tools called M. Just to re-emphasize where we are, I'll go into Finder this month.
Look guys, it's 1080p and it's really high quality. Look, you can literally read everything. So high quality videos, full HD videos, simple explanation, illustrated, 42 hours. It's amazing, guys. And you can take it like what, $12. It's a good course. It's a good course.
I'll be folder navigator on Windows or something like that. So I'm in ML course, and if I go over here, I should be able to start up a Jupyter Note folder. Remember, we're in this sample project folder, and this is going to upload a rhythm that's working really well. So wherever you see this extension, some name allows you to write.
See how he zoomed in, so he can explain everything in details. I'm telling you guys, the way the video was edited, the way the video was recorded, the way they explained, it's amazing. It's very in details. Now let me just go quickly. After he explained the Jupyter Notebook, he's going to explain how to analyze the data using pandas, and then some crash course on NumPy and Matplotlib and scikit-learn. And then he divide the machine learning algorithms into supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So here you're going to learn about regression and classification, some milestones, which is basically a complete project, and data engineering, neural networks, some crash course on deep learning. Now this course is like Jose and Kriil Ermenko course. Kriil Ermenko course is both in R and Python, while Jose Portilla got his course separately in Python and R. This course only explains in Python and explains a lot of things, but a little bit from everything. So it's like a detailed crash course, which is I highly recommend. After you attend a theoretical course, you come and attend this type of course, and then later on you can go with DataQuest and DataQuest and depth, and read a book. So one of the things that I don't like about this course is, now I remember in the beginning of the video I told you that this guy is supposed to, or this course is supposed to explain the math behind machine learning and data science, which is statistics and mathematics, which is calculus and linear algebra and statistics and probability. Here they didn't explain, but they gave some statistics course on YouTube, and the mathematics is from Khan Academy. I mean, you guys, if you just explain this statistics and mathematics, it would be really nice. Giving a YouTube link wasn't a good idea. But again, this is the only thing that I don't like. The rest is amazing. It's 42 hours, an extensive course, really well explained, illustrated. They're active in Q&A. The reviews are amazing. Let me just show you the reviews. You can see it's 4.7 course. It's amazing, guys. I'm telling you, it's a bargain. It's a really nice course. You can find the link of the course in the description below. You can buy from it. Nowadays they're having a sale, which is $12, so make sure to grab it. Thank you so much for attending this course. Make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.